Are you thinking of getting into the fix and flip game in the Chicago or Chicagoland suburbs, but worry about making costly mistakes? Do you know the crucial steps to take to ensure that your flip is successful instead of having your property sit on the market and lose money? Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be walking you through the top 7 correct ways to do a fix and flip in the Chicagoland and surrounding suburbs. There are proven strategies that will help you avoid costly mistakes, maximizing your profit, and ensure that your investment doesn't become a headache, because it happens all the time. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I also serve the Chicagoland and the suburbs. I've guided countless of investors just like you through the fix and flip process, helping you make the right decisions, avoid pitfalls, and turn healthy profits in their investment. Fixing and flipping can be incredibly rewarding, but it's crucial to do it the right way from the start. So let's dive into the 7 ways to ensure your success. Number 1, very importantly, do your numbers correctly. The foundation of any successful fix and flip starts with the math. Before you even consider buying a property, you need to know your numbers. Purchase price, rehab costs, your target resale price. If the numbers don't work, the flip won't work. I can help you analyze the comps, predict the future trends, and make sure that we're working with the worst case scenarios in mind, so you don't end up in a financial hole. Number 2, hire professional contractors. Don't cut corners by hiring cheap or inexpensive contractors. Your buyers will notice any sloppy work, which will cost you property to sit on the market longer, force you to accept lower offers. Working with a reputable professional contractor eliminates unnecessary stress and ensures that the job is done right the first time. Quality work sells fast in Chicago's competitive market. Number 3, focus on the details. Details matter big time. The finishes, craftsmanship, and even the smallest touches can make or break your flip. Buyers can sense when the corners are cut. This will hurt your bottom line. Don't be sloppy. Pay attention to every little aspect, from the fixtures to the flooring. The more polished your work, the faster it will sell at a higher price. Number 4, understand the future market trends. To succeed in this business, you have to think ahead. It's not enough to understand today's market. You need to predict where the market is going. I'm here to help you analyze the data and the trends to protect your investment from potential turndowns. This is crucial. It's planning for the worst case scenario. Stick to a realistic budget. Fix and flips often run over budget, but sticking to a realistic budget from the start is crucial. Always plan for the unexpected costs and don't try to renovate beyond what the local market can support. I can guide you in making smart, cost-effective choices which increase the value without overspending. Location, location, location. Number 6, Chicago and its suburbs are diverse, and not every area is ripe for a fix and flip. Choosing the right location can be the difference between a quick sale and a property that sits on months. I can help you identify the best neighborhoods for flipping, where demand is high and where buyers are eager to buy. Number 7, be patient and stay professional. Flipping a property is not a race, it's a marathon. Rushing the process will lead to mistakes and sloppy work that will hurt you in the long run. Stay professional, work with experts, and be patient. The key to successful flip is to quality, strategy, not speed. And if you're looking to get started in the fix and flip market, you don't have to do it alone. Call me. My number is 773-550-4846. I'll guide you every step of the way, holding your hand through the process, from analyzing the right deals to managing the entire renovation. With my help, you'll avoid common mistakes and turn your flip into a profitable investment. If you find this video informative, educational, don't forget to follow us on social media platforms. Look what our clients are saying about us. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And if you know someone who's looking to get into the investment and flipping business, share this video with them. They might need it too.